Hello viewer, here is a shape I am going to take there, add different features there. I will take another design, add a paint to that design, and take another one. So that's a shape, apply there, again create another one to have it. We will use the paint for it. So here we are going to generate the designs here. Thank you for watching.